Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Professor, Biology, Greenfield School and College, Mirpur, Dhaka. Dear students, 8 English version, how are you? I hope you are well and studying regularly. Today is chapter 2, okay, Growth and Heredity of Living Organism from chapter 2, lecture 1, okay. Do you know what is growth and heredity? Growth means okay, body of all organism consists of cell, and all cells arise from the division of existing cells. Okay, body of all organism consists of cell, and all cells arise from the division of existing cell. পূর্বের সেল থেকে, হ্যাঁ, unicellular organisms multiply by cell division. Okay, in this way one cell divide into two, then two transform into four, they divide further in the same manner, and this is how growth of living organism takes place. Okay, the cells found in most multicellular organisms originated from the divisions of a single cell. Okay, the life of a multicellular organism originated from the zygote. Okay, from the zygote, the union of fertilization of an egg and a sperm. Okay, you know what is egg. Egg formed in female body and sperm formed in male body. Okay, cell division provides the basis for one from two growth. Okay, for both sexual and asexual reproduction. Types of cell division. Okay, then types of cell division. Types of cell division. Okay, types of cell division. In living organism, three main types of cell division are found. There are amitosis, mitosis and meiosis. Amitosis, mitosis and meiosis. Okay, amitosis, mitosis and meiosis, these are three. First one, we discuss amitosis. What is amitosis cell division? Amitosis cell division occurs in bacteria, yeast, fungi and in amoeba. Okay, that means lower classes animal. Amitosis cell division occurs in bacteria, yeast, fungi and in amoeba. Unicellular prokaryotes procreate through amitosis cell division. Okay, unicellular prokaryotes procreate through amitosis cell division. The nucleus elongates and becomes dumbbell shape. Okay, nucleus elongated. Here one cell, this is nucleus. Second stage, here nucleus looks like that. Okay, and then deeply attached. Here this is dumbbell shaped nucleus. Okay, this is dumbbell shaped nucleus, and ultimately two new cell is produced. Okay, so dumbbell shape and become cylinder in the middle, and the here in the middle, and get separate from each other of two nuclei. Okay, here two nucleus. At the same time, the cytoplasm also elongated in the middle to form two cells. Here two cell is produced. In this kind of cell division, the nucleus of mother cell and cytoplasm get directly separated from two cells. Hence, it is called direct cell division. Okay, so this is called direct cell division, another name. So, figure amitosis. Okay, figure amitosis. Then mitosis. Mitosis. Okay, mitosis formed in somatic cell. Okay, somatic cells of higher plants and elements are divided in mitosis cell division. The process of cell division by which nucleus and chromosome of a eukaryotic cell gets divided only once is known as mitosis. Here nucleus and chromosome, okay, only one, okay, only one once division, that is known as mitosis. In this process, the nucleus of the mother cell is divided only once and produce two daughter cells bearing similar characteristics and having same size, quality and number of chromosomes. Mitosis ensures increase of height and breadth of the body of animals and plants. Okay. The cells of the meristematic apex of branch and roots, okay, tissue of plant increase their number by mitotic or mitosis cell division. Okay. Then meiosis. Meiosis cell division occurs. Meiosis cell division occurs during the formation of reproductive cell. Okay, reproductive cell from the reproductive mother cell. Okay, so meiosis occurs in reproductive mother cell. The characteristics of meiosis cell division is that the nucleus is divided twice. Okay, here nucleus divided twice and chromosomes divided once. Okay, nucleus divided twice and chromosome divides one. As a result of cell division by meiosis, the number of chromosome of the daughter cells becomes half of the number of chromosome of mother reproductive cell. Okay, so new cell bears half number of chromosome of mother cell. Okay, in this process 4 new cells are produced which contain half of the chromosome of the mother cell. Okay, hence called reductional division. Okay, so this is called reduction division. Generally meiosis occurs in the reproductive mother cell during the formation of gametes. Okay, then the feature of mitosis. The features of mitosis. Okay, here mitosis cell division is the division of somatic cell. First one, somatic cell. Somatic cell. Okay, then in this process the nucleus of the mother cell is divided only once. Mother cell is divides only once. Mother cell is divided into two cells of same quality. Same quality. Number 4, the number of chromosome of daughter nucleus and mother nucleus remain identical after mitotic cell division. I repeat the point. The number of chromosome of daughter nucleus, okay, chromosomes of daughter nucleus and mother nucleus remain identical after mitotic cell division. Okay, in mitotic division each chromosomes equally divides, okay, lengthwise along the centromere. As a result, the number of chromosome of the two new cells, okay, remains same as the number of chromosomes of the mother cell. So mitosis is also known as equational division. Okay, mitosis is also known as equational division. Equational division. Equational division. Okay, so mitosis is known as equational division. Then where mitosis occurs? Mitosis occurs. Mitosis takes place in the somatic cell of all eukaryotic organism. Okay, the meristematic tissue of the growing part of the plant, these apex of stem and roots, growing leaves, buds, etc. show this type of cell division. Okay, clear? So you can find roots, growing leaves, buds, okay, apex of stem. Mitosis occurs in somatic cells of the animal body. Then you can saw developing embryo and during asexual reproduction of lower animals and plants. You can found a mitosis cell division. Where mitosis does not occur, okay, in case of animals of nerve cells, that means a neuron, okay, of the nervous system, matured red blood cell, okay, red blood corpuscles or red blood cell, and platelets of mammals, okay, our platelets of mammals and the cells of permanent tissue, and the cell of permanent tissue of plants does not show mitosis cell division. Okay, so neuron, RBC, platelets and permanent cell of plants. Okay, permanent tissue of plants where mitosis does not occurs. Okay, then the process of mitosis cell division. Okay, the process of mitosis take place in two phases. Okay, the nucleus divides in the first phase and cytoplasm in the second phase. First one, nucleus divides. The division of nucleus is known as karyokinesis. First one, karyokinesis. Karyokinesis. Karyokinesis means division of nucleus. Division of nucleus. Okay. Here, division of nucleus. The division of nucleus is known as karyokinesis and the division of cytoplasm is known as cytokinesis. Okay. Cytokinesis. Cytokinesis means division of cytoplasm. Division of cytoplasm. Okay. Cytokinesis, division of cytoplasm. And karyokinesis means division of nucleus. Okay. Mitosis is continuous process in which karyokinesis occurs first and then cytokinesis takes place. Okay. Before starting karyokinesis and cytokinesis, the nucleus of the dividing cell need to take some preparation. Okay, need to take some preparation of the dividing cell. This intermediary stage between the two consecutive cell division is known as interphase or resting stage. Okay, this is known as interphase. This is another important topics. Interphase. Okay, what do you mean by interphase? Here, cytokinesis, karyokinesis, and interphase. Okay, very important. What is cytokinesis? What is karyokinesis? And what is interphase? Okay. Then go to division of nucleus or karyokinesis. Division of nucleus or karyokinesis. First, karyokinesis. karyokinesis. Okay. The nucleus of the dividing cell passes through a continuous complex process. Okay, continuous. Okay, I repeat the term continuous complex process and completes karyokinesis. As cell division in a non-separable continuous process, it is not right to divide them into different stages. Okay, still for the benefit or description, it is divided into 5 stages. Here 5 stages. Okay, 5 stages they are: prophase, then prometaphase, number 3 metaphase, number 4 anaphase, number 5 telophase. Okay, these are 5 stages. Okay, prophase, prometaphase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Okay, first one, prophase. Prophase is the longest stage of mitosis cell division. In this stage, the following events occurs. Okay, here a figure of process: nuclear membrane, centromere, chromatid, here nucleolus. Okay, this is prophase. Here the nucleus becomes bigger in size. Due to continuous dehydration. Okay, here ক্রোমোজোম পানি ত্যাগ করে দেয় বা পানি ছেড়ে দেয়। হ্যাঁ, ডিউ টু কন্টিনিউয়াস ডিহাইড্রেশন নিউক্লিয়ার ক্রোমাটিন condense to form visible thread like structure known as chromosome. Okay, this is known as chromosome. Then each chromosome divides longitudinally into 2 chromatid. Here 1 chromatid, 2 chromatid. The sister chromatids are joined together at their centromere. Here this is centromere and this is chromatid. Okay, here this is chromatid and this is centromere. Okay, then prometaphase. This phase is very short. Prometaphase, here prometaphase, nucleolus and nuclear membrane. Okay, almost this is prometaphase. Nuclear membrane and nucleolus almost disappear. Here nucleolus and here nuclear membrane almost disappears. Okay, at the end of prophase, spindle apparatus. This is known as spindle apparatus. Okay, spindle. Spindle apparatus is formed by the accumulation of some protein fiber in the cell. Okay, the middle area of 2 poles. Here this is known as pole. Okay, here 1 pole and here another pole. The middle area of 2 poles of the spindle apparatus is known as equator. So this is equator. The fibers of the spindle spread from one pole to another. These are known as spindle fiber. Okay, In animal cells, in addition of formation of spindle apparatus, centriole dividers earlier enrich the two poles from where ester fiber radiates. Okay, centriole dividers earlier enrich the two pole from their ester fiber radiates. Okay, then metaphase. Okay, so না আজকে এই পর্যন্তই থাক। মেটাফেজ থেকে আগামী লেকচারে আলোচনা করব। ওকে, ধন্যবাদ আনতে কামরুন্নাহার ম্যাডাম।